Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to enable single store mode in Magento 2. By default it is deactive, but you can enable the single store mode in Magento 2. So let's check out. Go to the stores configuration, right? So here we are on the journal, right? So here you can put the all the store information related to it. Now here we have single store mode. Enable single store mode true or false. If you want a single store only, so make it add yes and save this configuration and just cache the flush. And here you if you I'm going to load the page, see all store option is not coming, and in the catalog product section also, if I'm going to add any product or edit any product, store selection privilege is over. And if I'm going to just revert back, go to the store journal, and here I'm going to make it revert like no and save this configuration. See, this is coming, this is coming, and here also it's coming. See, this is also coming. So this is how you can enable the single store from this section, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.